Warm sunshine, rolling hills, and a gentle late summer breeze set the stage for a phenomenal 10th annual Family Farm Day. Visitors toured farms throughout Schoharie, Otsego, and Delaware counties, making connections and learning about local agriculture. The aroma of fresh-baked cookies and maple syrup filled the air, while guests enjoyed samples and met some of the animals. There were smiles all around on this beautiful day in the picturesque countryside of rural New York, with family, friends, and fun for all ages. New this year, visitors collected stickers at each farm stop in their passport, which were redeemed for prizes at county CCE offices. Farms were provided with giveaway items including t-shirts, tote bags, hats, and cookbooks. Visitors who completed a survey at a farm stop were entered into a drawing for a grand prize gift basket containing $50 worth of Family Farm Day merchandise and local farm products. Family Farm Day provides an opportunity for small farms to connect with local buyers, creating long-term customers and strong relationships within the community. Of the farms which participated in Family Farm Day last year, 82% saw new customers return throughout the year, becoming regular customers. Feedback from visitors and farms alike has been overwhelmingly positive. One farm owner called it a banner day, and many visitors wish there had been enough time to stop at every farm on the map. This event draws visitors from surrounding cities, counties, and states who wish to experience small-scale agriculture firsthand. Educational opportunities and once-in-a-lifetime experiences abound for visitors of all ages, year after year.